Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Sit down. So, yesterday we are talking of weather and climate. Have you gone through all?
Yes, ma'am.
Weather and climate. We are to continue with that. You can write, children, weather and climate. Who can tell what is weather? Yes, you tell.
The day-to-day condition of atmosphere of a particular place is called weather.
Very good answer. Sit down. The day-to-day atmosphere, condition of atmosphere, weather, hot and cold, it is called weather. And weather, it is for a short period of time. But climate, it is for a long period of time. So children, we are to continue with this climate. Okay, what is climate? We are to see what is climate. What is come to your book part? The normal pattern of weather experienced in a particular area over a long period of time is known as climate. If the condition continues 6 months or more than 1 year, it is called climate. It is called climate. So, the normal pattern of weather experienced in a particular area over a long period of time is known as climate. In other words, climate of a place stays almost the same 1 year after another. So, what is? It is for a long period. Climate, it is for a long period, that you write down. Let me see. Yes, good. You have written, it is for a long period. Then you can add with this that climate of a place, climate of a place, okay, stays almost the same. What is written in your book? Stays almost the same. Write neatly in your copy. 1 year after another. 1 year after another. Okay? So it continues for a very long period. That is called climate. Next it is, for example, areas which have very heavy rainfall throughout the year and average temperature are said to have tropical moist climate. We have to continue with the types of climate. So where we see, write down, tropical moist climate, tropical moist climate, that is areas which have heavy rainfall throughout the year and average temperature. Here, throughout the year, heavy rainfall plus average temperature. Average temperature. Okay, heavy rainfall throughout the year with average temperature, that is tropical moist climate. Clear? Then come to next part. It is for example Amazon rainforest. On the other hand, places which lie just, that is dry tropical climate. Next it is dry tropical climate. Okay, what is this? The places which lie, write down, the places which lie just north and south of the equator, just north and south of the equator, that is there in your book, you can copy it, of the equator, have a dry tropical climate. So where we can see this climate? The places which lie just north and south of the equator, that is they are having what? Dry tropical climate. Clear it is? If you can think of, suppose, so this is in the middle, 0 degree, it is equator. Okay, this is north and this is south. So the areas which lie in the north or south and close to the equator, they are having the what? Dry tropical climate. Why so? Because direct sunshine it is there and sun rays are falling that places. Okay, for which reason they are having dry tropical climate. The sun rays hit the equator at a direct angle and hence the heat is very intense, very hard, deep. Okay. The Sahara Desert and Kalahari Desert in the continent of Africa have dry tropical climate. Here in the rainforest, we are having Amazon rainforest. Amazon rainforest. But here Sahara, Kalahari, these places they are having dry tropical climate. Then we are to go through the difference between weather and climate. Come to weather versus climate. Next, do not get confused between weather and climate. Weather is the conditions of the atmosphere over a short period of time. You can draw the line like this, weather, then climate. We have to go through the difference. It is for 1 point, who can tell it is for weather?
Weather is for short period of time.
Very good answer, short period of time.
And climate is for long period of time.
Short period of time. Then it is long period. Sit down. Long period. Are you all writing? Show me. Yes, good. You are writing. Complete all. Next it is, see the book. That is, whereas climate is how the atmosphere is over relatively a long period of time. In other words, the data for climate is derived from weather report on monitored area for a certain period of time. Those who are making the climate report, it is not easy for them to make immediately. They have to take the weather report of the particular place for a long period of time to draw the conclusion for climate. What is the climatic condition of that area? That is, while weather changes all the time, climate doesn't change so quickly. So what is the next difference? Weather changes all the time, but here climate doesn't change so quickly, doesn't change so quickly. Doesn't change. Here weather changes all the time. Sometimes it is raining, sometimes it is very hot, like it is not constant, it is changing. Whereas the climate doesn't change so quickly, it takes a long time to change. Next it may take years for climate of a place to change. Scientists keep day-to-day weather information for many years, as long as 30 years, in order to draw conclusion about the local climates. So the scientists, those who are doing the deep research about the atmospheric condition, they take many years, as long as like 30 years they can take to give the climatic report of that place. It is only when a location has many years of weather data that meteorologists can generalize and comment on the climate of that area. So, coming to the weather condition and taking the research of the weather condition of a particular place, the meteorologists, they draw the conclusion for the climate, or they bring out the report for the climate. So the basic difference, you have now learned what are the differences between weather and climate and what is climate. Clear now? You can write the homework. Write the difference between weather and climate. Write the difference between weather and climate. Clear now? So children, you are to go through your book line by line to get the idea of weather and climate, and you will write the difference between weather and climate. So next class we will be continuing more about the weather and climate. Thank you all.